Why I'm trying to find a side hustle is because I want to contribute to life and groceries and just the everyday stuff. I feel like I'm an independent woman, but when you don't get any money in, you feel a little less independent. So yeah, I want to contribute at the end of the day. I would like to start a side hustle, multiple side hustles. I think I really enjoy the photography I've been doing. I really enjoy making videos and edit videos, and I also edit podcasts, which I also enjoy doing. I'm teaching Dutch at the moment, which I think is quite a cool side hustle, and hopefully soon I'll be also able to teach English as a side hustle. I'm not too sure in like what direction I will go completely, because I was also thinking together with Nana to do something with cooking and fitness and sports and nutrition in general. I feel like there are just so many ideas and things that I and we can do that not to say I feel stuck, but yeah, what do you choose? What do you go for? What will be successful? I don't know. I think to start a side hustle, I think we all in some sort of way start side hustles because we do stuff we actually enjoy doing. But that doesn't mean it's making money straight away. So I've been making videos for a long time now. We have our YouTube channel for over 2 years. But I'm not too sure, like, maybe there are things that like I still need to learn for me to be able to make money as a side hustle. So I feel what's also making it difficult to start a side hustle is because I guess it's definitely like the pressure of money and getting some income, because it's either I'm going to choose to eventually, when visas and everything are sorted out, or choose to get a job here in SA, or I start a side hustle, which just takes a lot of time and effort, and you're just not sure if that's gonna get paid back, not just like in money but in time you put in. I can't really name books or specific people like out of my head now that I learned from about starting a side hustle. But what I do see a lot is that you need to be passionate and you need to be, willing to put all the time and effort in. They basically say that it's like a seed that you're planting. So, for example, now with the photos I've been doing, the photography, I've been doing a lot of sports photography just to practice, and hopefully one day I can actually charge people for taking photos for them. But that doesn't mean that now I'm starting, I can straight away tell people to pay me for it, because one, I haven't mastered the craft. I still need to get to know my camera. Well, from what I've learned or saw from Jermaine is that you don't need to have a lot of time, but you need to squeeze it in somehow. I mean, what I've learned from her is that I was really amazed by how she done it. I mean, she's a mom of 3 kids. She has a husband. She has a full-time job. She's studying on the side. And she's baking these amazing cakes and cupcakes and everything. So I'm just like, if she can do it, if she can start a side hustle out of anyone, I think no one is having any excuse that we don't have enough time. So I really feel that I don't have enough time is something I've learned from her. And to, just start, because if you don't start, you never know if people want whatever it is that you can provide for them. So I feel that's definitely something I've learned from her. And like going through the whole branding, because yeah, we changed her logo I think a couple of times. So for me it's quite difficult to change names and logos, because I feel like if I want to go into one direction I want to stay there. But I think for me it's also good to let go of that one thing and be able to make changes, because in the whole process you're going to be able and need to make a lot of changes to eventually hopefully make your side hustle work. So I think that's definitely something I've learned from her, and I believe that we can all learn something from her. I mean, if she can do it, we can all do it, right? At the moment I've been trying to, I guess, start a couple of side hustles already. So they're like, yeah, I guess 4 I'm doing now. Giving my Dutch classes, which is something I've never thought I was going to do, but I actually really, really enjoy it. So if you are someone that wants to learn Dutch, or know someone that wants to learn Dutch, I'm here for you. Then I'm doing the photography. I'm not making any money with it yet, but the quality and everything just goes really well at the moment. So I do feel that soon that can be a good side hustle. Same with the YouTube. for some reason it's been going quite well, so hopefully this year still we can make some sort of income from it. And then I've been doing podcast. I edit podcast, so there are some side hustle income streams, but as you can imagine, it's not a lot. And another thing we do have is a lot of affiliate links. When you get more exposure and stuff, those things will also start to grow, and you have multiple income streams that hopefully grow. So I'll be a bit more confident that I can help in, the household and the daily stuff. I will definitely be open to share information from a book or, from people that have knowledge about starting a side hustle on this channel or anywhere, because I do feel that there are so many people out there that, just like me, want to maybe contribute to a household or just be independent on itself to be able to buy stuff for themselves. Maybe even next to their full-time job. I mean, who knows? But yeah, definitely I'll be able and willing to do that.